Do you think making money online requires a huge following? What if I told you that you could start earning from the comfort of your home without needing thousands of followers or fans? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 smart ways to start making money online with no audience. Whether you're looking to earn side income or replace your full-time job, these methods are the perfect way to dive into the digital economy and start earning right away. Let's get into it. 1. Become a ghost content creator. Have you ever wanted to create content but don't want to show your face or reveal too much about your personal life? You don't need to have a personal brand to start earning money online. One of the smartest ways to get started is by becoming a ghost content creator. This means creating faceless channels on platforms like YouTube or TikTok, where you post valuable content to a specific niche, but without ever showing your face. You could be making motivational videos, sharing travel guides, or even providing tech news. With the help of AI tools, you can quickly generate scripts, visuals, and even background music, making content creation easier than ever before. The beauty of this strategy lies in the power of the platform's algorithm. You don't need to worry about growing a massive following, because the algorithm helps find your audience for you. Once your content is up and running, you can earn through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, or even by selling digital products like ebooks or courses. This approach requires zero personal branding and can become a fully automated income stream. Over time, you can build up a steady flow of revenue while staying completely anonymous, making it a perfect strategy for those who prefer privacy. And the best part? This model doesn't require any long-term commitment or tons of maintenance. You can start small, experiment with different niches, and find the ones that resonate with the audience, all while keeping a low profile. Plus, by using content creation tools, you can scale it without adding much extra work. The beauty of a ghost content creator model is that it's passive, and it's up to you how much content you want to create. Now, let's talk about high-ticket appointment settings. This is a highly profitable way to make money online without needing to build an audience. Many successful online entrepreneurs and B2B businesses have a ton of potential leads, but simply don't have the time to handle them all. That's where you come in. As an appointment setter, your job is to reach out to leads via DMs or emails, schedule calls, and ensure that their sales team can take over conversation and close the deal. The best part? You leverage your client's existing audience and reputation to close deals, which means you don't have to build an audience of your own. This type of job offers a base pay, but where the real money comes in is through commissions. Typically, appointment setters can earn anywhere from 3% to 10% for each deal closed, and if you work with high-ticket clients, those commissions can add up quickly. Whether it's for coaches, consultants, or business owners, high-ticket appointment setting allows you to tap into their existing network without needing followers of your own. This makes it a perfect job for anyone who's organized, reliable, and good at handling business communications. One of the reasons this role is so lucrative is the commission-based structure. Since your job revolves around helping close large deals, the income potential is much higher than many traditional entry-level positions. Plus, you're working remotely, which gives you the flexibility to set your hours and work with clients globally. 3. Arbitrage via online marketplaces. Here's a method that might sound a bit unconventional, but trust me, it works. Arbitrage via online marketplaces. This involves finding underpriced products or services on one platform and selling them at a higher price on another. It's essentially about buying low and selling high, and you can do this with products or services. For example, let's say you find a product on clearance at a local store or online marketplace, and you sell it for a higher price on a platform like Amazon FBA or eBay. You've just made a profit from flipping items. But it doesn't stop there. You can also do service arbitrage. Let's say you find a service on Fiverr, such as SEO work or content writing, and you offer that same service at a higher price on Upwork or Freelancer. Once you've secured the sale, you hire the freelancer on Fiverr to do the actual work at a lower rate, while you pocket the difference. This strategy can be scaled up with the right market research and knowledge of what's trending. Whether it's product flipping or service arbitrage, you can make money online without a huge following or an initial investment. It's a great way to start earning quickly by leveraging existing opportunities on digital marketplaces. The key to success in arbitrage is doing thorough research and being quick to identify good deals. By understanding the dynamics of supply and demand on various platforms, you can find great opportunities that others may overlook. The best part about this method is that you don't need to be an expert in a specific field. You just need to be savvy at spotting deals and know how to negotiate. Whether it's flipping products or offering outsourced services, arbitrage is a simple and low-risk way to generate a steady income. 4. Search-based freelancing. If you don't want to wait for followers or clients to come to you, search-based freelancing is a fantastic strategy. Instead of focusing on building an audience on social media or waiting for a big following, you go straight to the places where businesses are actively posting jobs and seeking freelancers. Websites like Upwork, ProBlogger, and even LinkedIn are filled with real-time job listings. These platforms allow you to find clients actively looking for help with tasks like video editing, thumbnail design, or even setting up email automation systems using tools like MailChimp or Klaviyo. This approach is fantastic because you don't need to wait around or depend on social media algorithms to find clients. You simply go to job boards, find clients actively hiring, and pitch your services. Businesses are always looking for professionals to take care of the boring but essential tasks, so there's plenty of work available. Whether you're offering editing services or email marketing setup, these tasks are in high demand and don't require a social following to get started. If you're looking to replace a full-time job, this could be your perfect way to jump right into freelancing and start earning right away. One of the best things about search-based freelancing is the sheer volume of job postings on these platforms. With thousands of job opportunities being listed daily, you can always find something that fits your skills and interests. Plus, these platforms often have built-in protection and payment security, which makes it safer to work with clients from all around the world. Freelancing can become a sustainable income source if you consistently apply and land gigs. 5. User testing and focus groups. Here's another super simple way to make money online with no audience: user testing and focus groups. Companies are always looking for real-world feedback on their products, websites, and apps before launching them to the public. And the best part? You don't need to have an audience to get started because the company provides a platform. User testing, Responded.io, and User Interview are just a few examples of platforms that pay you to test products, provide feedback, and help companies improve their offerings. All you have to do is sign up, test out some apps or websites, and share your thoughts. Depending on the study's length and complexity, you can earn anywhere from $10 to $100 plus per study. This is a great way to earn some extra cash in your free time, and because there's no audience required, you can start right away. Many companies conduct regular testing sessions, so this can become a steady source of side income without needing a personal brand. Plus, user testing allows you to provide valuable insights while getting paid for it. No hustle, no followers, just your thoughts. So there you have it. 5 smart ways to make money online without needing a massive audience. From becoming a ghost content creator to user testing, there are plenty of opportunities for you to earn money without waiting for followers to build up. Each of these methods leverages existing traffic or solves direct business problems, making them perfect for anyone who wants to get started right now. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.